Good morning or afternoon, whenever you're watching this, but welcome to Sheriffic. Guess what I'm going to do today? I am going to put on a new grill cover. This flat mat grill cover came in the mail and I am going to install it today. And if you hang around, you'll see how it looks when it's done. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna attempt to take off, what came on the Jeep and put this one on, because I think this one will be much more fun. If you remember, we installed the bumper and I really didn't give a lot of good instruction in that video. I'm gonna try a little bit harder this time to help out if somebody's watching this and wants some help to do it yourself, because I find it quite gratifying. Yeah, anyway, so here we go. So what I'm doing right now is, what I'm doing is I'm taking these little push pins out, and there's 6 of them across the top here. And you just take them out. I'm using this garden tool because I didn't have the tool, I guess, that you can get from Home Depot or whatever. But you could use a screwdriver, I believe. Now, they're in there pretty damn tight, so you gotta be careful. And I'm being careful not to poke myself. But once you get it loosened and you get under there, I did 2 other ones and they came out really easy. Now this one's gonna be a bugger, right? Because I'm trying so hard. But if you just pull it out like that, it comes right out, and then put it over to the side so you don't lose them. I know there's a habit of putting them somewhere else and just setting them down, but make sure you make it a point of knowing where you're putting your little nuts and bolts and things that are coming out of here. But we're gonna go across and I'm gonna take out the 6 and then we're gonna go from there. So that's exciting, right? Okay, so I took all of the pop outs and they all came out in one piece, so I was pretty excited about that. And then I was a little afraid because then it says pull forward, and it is, it's like, then there's something in here. I gotta check that out. I gotta get the inside out, but I have it this far. Okay, so I pulled it forward, and because I got all of them out, got them all out in one piece, all the little push pin things, and you pull it out, and then you pop it up, and look, it comes off. I think this will be pretty cool, because I think I'm gonna buy some lights to put in here and hang it up in my gym later on. Yeah, I have the old bumper too, and I might put the whole thing up like it's coming out of the wall. I'm pretty excited about that. But look, we're halfway there. Yeah. Okay, just had to put that in there, sorry. Now when we pulled this off, there's some teethy things here on the bottom, and they fit right in here, if you can see. And what you have to do is they give you these little brackety things, and you have to put these on top of here. So it's not too difficult, but it is something to put on there, because that's what's going to hold it onto the it's going to hold it onto the bottom, so when you're driving it doesn't go. So far, no extra pieces. That is a good sign. I'm really feeling good about this. Let's see what we do next, okay? So I'm going to show you, I put these little wingy things on here. I'm sure I don't use the proper terms, but there was 8 of these and there were 8 holes, so it all made sense, and still have the same amount of proper things to put in, but these are very easy. You don't even really need a tool. You just put them right in here, and I'm going to show you, this isn't that hard. So as I'm doing this and I'm showing you, when people see it, they're really not going to be like, oh wow, you put a new grill on, Sherry. So hopefully I meet up with people that have not seen this video to see how easy it is. So far I have this on here. It's quite easy because it just connects right to the front of the Jeep right now, and it's pretty easy peasy. I was watching a video while I was doing this, but I was sort of ahead of the video and he wasn't helping me as much as I thought he would. The instructions they're okay. I'm not much of a reader. There were no words, so it was good. It was all pictures. The problem is it gets a little confusing because the drawings are so small that I'm sitting there like, is that what I'm supposed to be using? Also, I would suggest not using a garden tool to pry the stuff out. Use a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, or go get the proper tool. But I was too much of a rush and excited to put this grill on. Hey, let me finish up here. I have 8 more push pins to put in and some foam for the top, and I'll show how it turns out. I'm excited. Had to stop for a minute because the mail came and the tiara came that I ordered. Yeah, that's for a different video. Anyway, I finished. What do you think? What do you think? It's pretty cool, isn't it? Pretty excited. Well, we're gonna do this. We're gonna put this away. And we're gonna put this down. And pretty cool stuff, isn't it? Join me next time. I got the rack system for the back and I'm very excited about that. And we will be putting the soft top on soon because I'm having a hoist installed in the garage. Not installing it myself, but I will be showing everybody what I do. Hey, subscribe, like it, and put in for notifications and stuff like that. Push the buttons. Thanks for coming.